Nagulat ako dun sa ano, sa financial literacy for kids. Puwede mong i-elaborate ano yun? Kasi I mean to be honest, even us, ako guilty rin ako diyan. Kasi when you're young, wala naman hindi naman sa'tin Filipino culture, hindi naman masyadong, um, aware or open when it comes to financial literacy, lalo na 'pag mga bata pa, 'di ba? Even in college, hindi masyado. So nakakagulat and nakakatuwang pakinggan na at the young age meron ng ganito, 'di ba? I-elaborate mo sa'min 'yan, sobrang interesting nung part na 'yon.
Financial literacy for kids po is we incorporate to our holiday program enrichment courses. And we always incorporate this to our CCA as well. Kasi I believe na pag marunong kang mag-save and marunong kang mag-budget and mag-share, ayan po, you will have a better future. So, we actually inculcate it to our students na
Ang
they
galing
need to
naman.
learn this financial literacy talaga. Ayan.
Ano pa yung feedback ng I mean yung behavior sa mga bata, I mean behavior ng mga bata when it comes to, financial literacy?
I actually nakakatuwa sila 'cause, some of them, they were, "Oh, gano'n po pala, we need to save." Okay, ganyan. And then they have goal. Magse-save sila to buy gifts for their friends or for Christmas. In fact, every year we do the KGEM, farmers market for a cause na they will bake cookies, and then they will make like painting, and then we will sell it we call it farmers market for kids. They will sell it so that they can have income, and then they will
Mm.
sell something, and for a cause for them to share. Ayan po. So we
Oo, ang
we
galing 'di ba? I mean ang daming nabi-build nun para sa bata, eh, 'di ba?